Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Freddy Moore. As always, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like and comment about this video. My video today, I'm in a new set. As you can see, today I'll be teaching you on how to play nitaimba kwa shangwe na vigelegele, nitaimba imba, nitaruka ruka, nitate. Hey, I hope you will enjoy this lesson. So without wasting our time, let's get into our tutorial after the intro. So guys, we are on our piano. As usual, we are going to start with the melody of the song, and then we are going to play the chords, and then back then we're going to play chords combined with a melody and combined with our drum set and right hand and left hand. Yeah, so we are going to start with our melody. Our melody, we are going to start on this G. On this G, yes. So we are going to start on G, the first note, huh? So the first one will be nitaimba kwa shangwe. So itakuwa you see, this song is complicated, but you will be able to play after this tutorial. You see, you play one, ha, hey, then like that. Then after that, so we are repeating that thing. Let me play again, slowly again, so that you can understand the melody. We're starting here. So after you have played your melody, you are going to play your chords. The chords are going to be played like this. We're going to start here. Yeah, on this key of this, the second inversion of G. So you're going to play like this. So the first part you are going to play like that. So repeat. You repeat the first one. Then the last. Understand? Let me play another time so that you can see. So I hope you understand the chords and the melody. Let me play the chords combined with the melody. We're going to start like this. Then after that we are going to play using our left and right hands. So we are going to play like this. Play slowly so that you can see. So we are going to start here. So after that, now we are going to find our tempo, then we are going to play our song. So let me find our tempo. Let me play with a tempo of 100. guys for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, you like and comment about this tutorial. Let's meet on the next video when I be playing another Catholic song. My name is Fred Moa. Till next time, God bless you. Let's meet next time, man.